The Tesla Model S Plaid Plus is insanely fast. 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds. Top speed over 200 miles per hour. It boasts over 1,100 horsepower from its tri-motor setup. This makes it one of the quickest production cars ever. Need more convincing? It can do a quarter mile in under 9 seconds. That's supercar territory. But is all this speed worth the high price tag? Tesla's advanced autopilot is a key selling point. Navigate on autopilot helps with highway driving, lane changes, and exits. Auto Park makes parking a breeze. Smart Summon lets your car come to you in a parking lot. These features are designed for convenience and safety, making your daily commute less stressful. But how well do these features work in real-world situations? The Plaid Plus is more than just speed. The interior is luxurious, with premium materials and high-tech features. It has a 17-inch touchscreen and a 22-speaker sound system. The seats are comfortable, even for long drives. It's practical, too, with plenty of storage space. This is a car that blends high performance with everyday usability. Tesla claims the Plaid Plus has a range of over 520 miles on a single charge. That's a big deal for electric cars. With Tesla's supercharger network, you can add 187 miles of range in just 15 minutes. Road trips are now much easier and faster with the Plaid Plus. Let's compare this with other EVs. Starting at $109,990, the Plaid Plus is expensive. Is it a good value? It's more than most luxury sedans, but it's also faster and more advanced than many. You're paying for cutting-edge technology and incredible performance. Who is this car really for? Let's see. The Model S Plaid Plus isn't for everyone. It's for people who want the best of everything. Speed, technology, and luxury all come together. It's an early adopter's dream. Someone who appreciates the cutting-edge advancements. Is that you? Let's find out.